Okay, so the market's opened and we've had a big push up, big pullback into the EMAs, and now we're just hoping for that V-shaped recovery to push to new highs. Obviously the Nasdaq broke new highs last week every single day. In keeping with our usual fashion, we lost this trade, the first one of the day. We always lose the first one, always. It doesn't matter when I take it, it doesn't matter what I do, I always lose the first one. So yeah, unfortunately it just didn't want to go yet. Another situation where I stopped out for it to go higher though, so it's annoying. Okay, so broken through 200 EMA, broken through the VWAP as well. Another situation I've stopped out for it to go lower. So yeah, unfortunately, you got to put your stops somewhere, and we can't give it too much room because we're trading a smaller account, so we don't want to be losing too much. But yeah, these stop losses are just getting hit every time, unfortunately, at the moment. So yeah, as with the last one where we were stopped out for it to go higher, now we're stopped out for it to go lower. So yeah, annoying, but there's nothing we can do about that. Never really looked like going back to our entry as soon as we got in. It just used it as a support and hammered its way to our stop loss, but it is what it is. On to the next one. But unfortunately, this is what happens, and you just end up fighting back for the rest of the day. So yeah, taking losing trades in the beginning is a common theme for me at the minute. Broken back through the EMAs, got into this one hoping for a sharp push to the upside, but we didn't really get it. Just started chopping as soon as I got into it, so yeah, it is what it is, this one. We did get out in profit, but we didn't give it a chance to go to really go, because I just don't trust it to go at the minute. So yeah, we got out in profit, but not nearly as much as we would have liked. So it is what it is. Yeah, which obviously means when you're getting out, when you're slightly in profit like this, it's just well, anyway. Right, so here we go. We took a series of nice shorts here, just following this downwards momentum. Nice to see the market in momentum, to be fair. So we've not really had that too much. So yeah. I took a couple of trades there. We went down to the 10-second chart, so we were sort of trading the bull flags and the bear flags on the 10-second chart. So yeah, it was a good one. I quite like doing that, but unfortunately, because the market's just never in proper momentum anymore, it's quite difficult to do it on the 10-second chart. So this was utterly pathetic. So we had this idea that the market was going to pull back from those equal highs. We'd sold off from that area multiple times. Had I held that short, we probably would have passed the eval. As it were, I decided I shit myself and ended up moving my stop and getting stopped out. I was furious. The market's starting to push up, looking like it's going to break those highs now. I gave up after this. I locked my account and said see you later to it. I just couldn't be asked anymore. Every little push up was just being sold back off immediately. Every little spike in a candle was just being dragged back down. So I didn't trust it to go. I just didn't trust it to go at all. So as soon as we got into profit, we moved our stop, because I'm not getting stopped out of any more trades at this point. We've got the account into the green, and I am not losing it again, because I just didn't feel confident that I could make it back again. So yeah, we move our stop and we just immediately get stopped out. So yeah, it's a difficult one, because you need to give it room to move, but at the same time you just don't trust it to actually move. So yeah, and as is usually the case, as soon as you get stopped out of it, it suddenly just fucking flies in the direction that you want it to go in. So yeah, we gave up at this point, locked the account, try again tomorrow.